Oh guys, you can hear that thundering in the background. We said we were going to get a lightning storm, and this is it. This is what's really hitting Birmingham right now. It's so thick over there in Birmingham, it's moving right over, and it's going to really do some catastrophe. You can see the rain coming over. There's a bit of a... oh, there it is. Just listen to that thunder. Oh, there it was. Did you see that flash of lightning? I think I can see a twister forming in front of me right there. Looks like one. So thick and black over there, and look over here, it's absolutely lovely over on this side, and over there it's so black and thick with the rain pounding down and that lightning coming over. That's why I call it a summer storm. Whoa, there it was. This is unbelievable. The sun's coming right behind me, and that was just a major thunderstroke that we just had there. Whoa.
I've got to tell you, man, you turn around and see you do wonderful photography.
It's I'm
just looking at your work.
Yes, you know I'm recording right now, Mum.
Oh, I'm very
It's alright, that's really brilliant, because look at that. I've got it all there, and I just caught a couple of thunderclaps then.
That's a good shot through the
I
trees
did.
there, lower.
I've got it.
No, look, you know, through the tree things there.
Yes, Mum.
Along there.
Yeah, but I caught it right there. That's where it was coming from, the lightning blocks. I got the shot of it in the cloud.
Oh, there was one then.
That was it. That was one focusing there.
I have to be careful, Glenn.
I know, but that's far away if it won't hit your pacemaker, Mum. It's going that way, see, look, it's moving away from us. So it won't come back on us. It's not rotating it yet. So I can tell thicker enough.
Oh, it's over there.
Yeah, it's moving over there because Birmingham's down there, 10 miles away, so we're safe.
Recording that.
Yeah, I've been recording for the last 3 minutes.
Why don't you take a shot through the road down?
I would, yeah, but I'm just being careful here. So I'm moving along. It's a really big one.
Get the vans off and I'll watch it.
It's fine. I'm only going to record for a few minutes and I'll stop at 4 minutes or
That's
so.
a good shot there with the
yeah.
church roof.
Oh yeah, but I'm filming at the minute, so I can't zoom in. I know, it's alright. Zoomed in. It's unbelievable. Cloud for there, the sun's coming up.
Do it slowly.
No, but I got it. Again, if we tell Mandy, tell her I would appreciate that, you know.
Tell her yourself.
I will. I will next time I check it out. It's moving quicker now.
Got your ear.